Good morning, good morning. Update sa garden ko, guys. Yun na. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, guys, ang ganda ng flower dito, guys. Oh. Yan, guys. Ang ganda dito. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, guys. Thursday. So, sa aking rosel, guys, i-harvest ko na to. Harveston ko na to, guys, this coming Saturday. Guys, ang dami, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang dami. I-harvest ko na to, guys.